Hey creators, welcome back. If you're seeing a reused content monetization issue on YouTube, don't panic. This is one of the most common problems in 2026, and it's fixable. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what YouTube means by reused content. Reused content is when your videos rely heavily on material that isn't originally yours without adding significant value. This includes copied clips, TikTok reposts, movie scenes, TV clips, sports footage, or even compilations with minimal editing. Step 2. Editing alone is not enough anymore. In the past, adding music or simple cuts worked. Now YouTube looks for transformation, meaning commentary, explanation, storytelling, or education that changes the viewer experience. If your video feels like a re-upload, monetization gets limited. Step 3. AI voice plus stock footage risk. Faceless channels using stock videos with generic AI voiceovers are under heavy review. If the script doesn't provide deep value or unique insight, it may be flagged as mass-produced or repetitive content. Step 4. Channel identity check. YouTube reviewers check your entire channel, not just one video. If most uploads follow the same template, same visuals, and same structure, it looks automated, which increases rejection chances. Step 5. Fix your content strategy. Start adding your own voice or strong narration personality, on-screen explanations or tutorials, original screen recordings, case studies, examples, or analysis. You must show clear human involvement. Step 6. Update old videos before reapplying. Delete or privatize low-value, reused videos. Improve thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to match your niche and authority. Step 7. Film a channel introduction video. YouTube wants to see who runs the channel. A short intro explaining your content and purpose builds trust during review. Reused content monetization issues aren't about punishment. They're about proving originality and value. Make your content more educational, more personal, and more transformative, and approval becomes much easier. That's how to fix the reused content issue on YouTube in 2026. Subscribe for more creator tips, and I'll see you in the next one.